Hello, it's me. I'm back to ruin your day. Even more. Let's talk about I know I'm gonna pronounce this wrong, Naegleria foweleri, more commonly known as the brain-eating amoeba. Yeah. So, these bad boys are found in lots of warm freshwater areas, including lakes, streams, rivers, hot springs, and nuclear power plants. And occasionally, improperly maintained swimming pools. Now, normally, these guys are just hanging out. They're chillin'. They eat primarily bacteria, so they're just there, they're eating bacteria. And now, while these are called amoebas, they're not true amoebas. They are technically a shape-shifting amoeba flagellate excavate, but we're just gonna call them amoebas because fuck that. So, like I said, normally they're just vibing, swimming around in fresh water, eating their bacteria, until somebody comes along and snorts them up their nose. You know how you get water in your nose and it causes all sorts of problems. It's not a fun time. Unfortunately, if you get these guys up there when you do that, it's even less of a fun time. This is them under a scanning electron microscope. Have fun seeing that in your sleep paralysis later tonight. So, you're just swimming, you're having a good time. You get water up your nose, and some things start to happen. So, after you go swimming, you notice that you start to feel kinda bad. Headaches, nausea, fever, vomiting, dizziness, loss of vision, potentially slip into a coma, stiff neck, confusion, bad balance, as well as seizures and hallucinations. So, symptoms kind of start appearing after about a week approximately. After you go swimming, notice some symptoms about a week later, and then another week after that, you're probably dead. This is due to the disease caused by these guys, Naegleriasis or amoeba meningitis. And this is due to the fact that when no bacteria are available to eat, after these guys get snorted up into your brain, they start eating astrocytes and neurons. Brain cells. They are literally eating your brain. They're eating your brain cells. And while some people may not use it effectively, you do need your brain to survive. It is a pretty important part of your body, so having things that are actively eating it, not very good for you. There are some available treatments, but they're not very effective, and this infection has about a 95% mortality rate, which is not good. Fortunately, infection by these guys are very rare. And often in order for the treatments to be effective, they need to be treated quickly, and while a bunch of the symptoms look like symptoms of other things, it is often not treated in time for anything to be effective, so you die. So yeah, have fun knowing that brain-eating amoebas are a thing, and I hope I made your day a little bit worse.